Assalamualaikum, the beginner name is Allah most American most possible. So this is in this video I am going to teach you how can you the basic of graphic designing. I am going to tell you how can you make thumbnails of YouTube in free app. Don't be Photoshop because it is a paying project, so we are not using it. So we are going to use our Canva. This is the Canva, the free site, we can use it. But if you want to do it Canva Pro, so you have to pay. So we are going to use Canva, simple Canva. It's after this is free, so you can use it too. So I have done it personal. So now we are going to know how can we do Worknit. So first we are going to know how can we create a thumbnail of our YouTube. So it's so easy. We can use a template and then give it our. We can use the template and going to do work in it. Like I am going to choose. As you can see, there is Crown, it's Pro, so we are not going to use it. Like this, we are going to use this one. I am going to take it here and I am going to change here some things. That is, I am going to this is big and then I am going to put it inside and then I am going to do bigger it then like this and it will be more bigger like this, and then I am going to use it putting here. We are going to make a graphic design. So I am going to take this longer and this one will be like I am going to rotate it. After rotating it, we are going to put it here like this. So this is our black square. So this is our design. The template will be here and this is the elements where we are going to search things, square shapes, recently used, I have graphics things, anything we want, and text we can here, and we are not going to use it because it is Canva one and this is my images that I uploaded. So I am going to take it here and then I am going to come in the text and coming up and going to take this and I am going to write here. I am going to write here going to make a we need this whole thing in capital. Going to make we are going to put it like going to know basic of graphic designing in so we are going to write here for beginners and then I am going to like this and then I am going to take it so we have to do smaller it because it is so much big. No, it's not good looking good. So we are going to take more. No. No. It is looking good. So we are going to use this. In one line one. So why it's not like this? So I am going to write here O going to there is an issue that no one is right. Well, it's not here. I'm going to write here text. Going to know the basic of graphic designing, and then I am going to do it smaller. I am going to take it here and do it more smaller and more smaller and like this, and I am going to do it more smaller and more smaller and more smaller like this, and then I am going to take it here and doing this here like this and posting it like this. And this is bold, italic don't we need, bold we need, and we can change a color. Like I need black one. Black is looking good, and now we can do more things in it. We are going to know that we are going to take this link in below, and we are going to write here earn $200 in, not 200 is not, 300 $300 in month. So I am going to do it smaller and longer, more smaller I think. Like this, but we are going to change the color to yellow. Now it's good, looking good, but we are going to put it like this here, and we are going to change the color. The second color will be yellow, like this. Like it's to show the position transparency. I am going to do it 55 like this, and then we are going to come, and we can copy paste too. So I had to edit my email, so I am going to take it here. You are going to know that the image, my face is there, so I want to do my face here. So I am going to click in flip and click horizontal, and it is here. I am going to do my image bigger, and this is the image. So this is the basic. We in this video we know that how can we make a thumbnail. This is there is a motive that I want to do it. I move one thing and all thing moves. So we have to scroll like this and clicking in three dots and going to lock it. So now we can note I am going to click right click. It is not moving. So it is that this is the use of lock. So now I am going to know how can we download it and post it in our videos. So it is so easy. We are going to click in share, downloads. After clicking download, and it's download. There is one more option that it said that it is not downloading. So there will be a three dot option here in corner. After clicking it, there will be option download. So you are going to click it and it will be done. Thank you for watching my graphic designing video. I am going to meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.